Hey, this is Dave Ing. So I'm working on a VW Passat today, and we're taking off the trunk latch. Now it's underneath this plastic, protector there, which covers also the inner tail lights as well. And let me get a pry tool here. The first thing that we have to do is take this plastic panel off so we can have access to the mounting bolts of the trunk latch. And you can even take off these panels to get to the light bulbs of the inner tail lights. But what you need to do, and they're a bit hidden underneath here, there's a handle right here. There's a T20 socket, which is a star bit. And you're going to just go in there and take those out. And what I would do at home is use plastic pry tools to go. You'll see a little sign here where you're going to be pulling down. So if you use a metal pry tool, I use metal in the junkyard, you just wrap that with tape. But since we're in the junkyard, so you just be a little careful. You might want to take this panel off there to kind of go around and work out the clips. You don't want to fight it, so just go to the other side if it's giving you a little trouble. And go and release. You could almost take the electrical connector off. I'm going to just go in here and pull that down. It's a 3-pin connector, even though there's 4 slots. These bolts are actually 13 millimeters. Just take those off, and the latch will it's held in place on the back there, but you just pull down slightly and it'll come down. And installation is reverse removal, and we'll see you next time.